This is a quick tutorial on how to add your Telegram channel into Erzy cross-promotion platform.
We start on the web page erzy.net, then we click Launch My Channel, then we log in. To log in, we press on the Authorize button. Now we're taken back. Okay, now we need to add our channel. We press on this link, we open the Telegram app again, and we press on the button Add Bot to your channel. Okay, so here's our channel. So we just added our bot. We click Next. So here's our channel. We choose the category and the language. So we are going to talk about philosophy. So let's see. I think the best description would be the education, language, English. Next. We need to add the photo and the message. We can skip this step with adding photo. We just write the message. Next, we need to add the button. In the button, we will just type subscribe. Okay, press Save Channel. And that's it. We are done.